Hi, it's Aaron here. In this short video we're going to show you a walk from our apartment in Ersi Villas up to Firostefani and along the beautiful Caldera walkway. We'll finish up at the supermarket end of Fira township and then take a quick walk through town on the way back. Let's get going. Right, just heading out on our morning walk, first one in Santorini. So to the left there from our apartment is Fira town. And straight ahead is Firostefani. Yeah, it's a big cruise ship.
One of many today, I'm sure.
Look at that view.
Beautiful.
We're heading towards the centre of Fira town. This path we're on here is part of the Fira to Aegean walkway. Morning sun's a bit of a pain here, but hopefully you can see it. That zigzag trail there, that's the donkey trail walkway up from the old port. I think someone told me it's 588 steps. Good morning.
Morning.
That's a pretty good vantage spot. If you need a supermarket in Santorini, this is a really good one. It's just on the edge of Fira towards the new port. And next door is a pharmacy. The supermarket's very friendly and got a good range, good prices. Just walking back along the main road here from the supermarket back towards Fira. Probably not the best idea in the world, it's pretty busy. I thought we'd just see what it looked like. Don't have to walk too far, and then there's a footpath. It's a bit more pleasant. Beautiful church down there that's not white. It's a yellow one with a blue dome. This is the alternative route back to Ersi Villas. I wonder if there's not many people here. There's no one at the pool. There's one lady there. And that's our apartment just there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. That'd help us out a lot. Thanks very much.